Hi, I'm Marcus with Cross Precision Measurement here at our Greenville, South Carolina location. Here at Cross Precision Measurement, we've recently partnered with LK Metrology to be one of their key distributors in the Southeast and Midwest United States. Today, we are unboxing and starting up a LK Altera C-Series CMM. Some key benefits and features of the Altera C design is one, it's compact. So if you have limited floor space in your lab or on your plant floor, it's a great option for that. Number two is the high accuracy and the great repeatability that it offers. And it is available in three sizes: a 10.7.5, which we have here, a 10.7.7, and also we have a smaller size of a 7.7.5. So here at Cross Precision Measurement, we're innovating the industrial world, and these LK CMMs are helping us do just that.